Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of automated cleaning with the Roborock Q5 Plus Robot Vacuum. If you've been on the hunt for the best Roomba vacuum for pet hair, look no further. The Q5 Plus is here to revolutionize your cleaning routine. Apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First up, we have the hands-free cleaning feature, thanks to its self-empty dock. No more manual emptying of the dustbin after each cleanup session. With a massive 2.5-liter dust bag capacity, you can enjoy up to 7 weeks of uninterrupted cleaning. But it doesn't stop there. Powered by PreciseSense litter navigation. This little powerhouse creates precise maps of your home, allowing it to clean smarter and more efficiently. And with a staggering 2,700 pascals max suction power, dirt and pet hair don't stand a chance, whether it's on hard floors or deep inside carpets. Speaking of pet hair, the Q5 Plus is a fur-fighting champion. Equipped with a multi-plane floating main brush, it stays close to the ground for deeper cleaning while remaining resistant to hair tangles. Say goodbye to those pesky pet hair tumbleweeds. And let's talk about endurance. With up to 180 minutes of runtime, the Q5 Plus can cover a maximum cleaning range of 3,230 square feet in quiet mode. That's enough to tackle most homes in a single clean. But wait, there's more. The Roborock Q5 Plus offers a host of intelligent features. From room-to-room travel with 2 cm climbing ability to customizable no-go zones and invisible walls. And with advanced airflow management and sound control, it's as quiet as it is powerful. And did I mention it's compatible with Alexa? With voice control capabilities, you can simply sit back, relax, and let Alexa take care of the cleaning for you. So there you have it, folks. The Roborock Q5 Plus Robot Vacuum, your ultimate cleaning companion. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, dirt, or just the daily mess, the Q5 Plus has got you covered. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech and gadgets. Until next time, happy cleaning!